And so special thanks to this company for sending us their Nintendo Switch and Switch Lite Pro controller. You can see this has dual vibration as well as a turbo mode. So, you know, playing Call of Duty or something, you can have a bit of an advantage. So you can wake up the game console with it. It's wireless, easy connection, stable casting and buttons, motion and rumble. Just a picture of it there. Back, same information basically with a photo. And this side shows your sync button and the bottom of the controller with the turbo buttons. Let's open it on up, see what we got here. You never complain with a Nintendo controller. User manual for Bluetooth Pro controller for Nintendo Switch. So should tell you how to sync it and all of that kind of stuff. And then that's it for the box. It does include a USB-C type cable for charging the controller, which is probably like a 3 to 4 foot USB-A to USB-C type cable. And then here is the actual controller. Be sure to fully charge before use. I will say, first off, I love the weight of it. It has a really, really good weight. This is some nice grip, so you could actually play this for a while. Get all your buttons. Love the like carbon fibery look that's on the top here. USB-C port for charging, and then underneath is like your extra buttons that you know, aren't necessarily on the other Nintendo Switch controllers. So it feels really, really good. This seems to be your turbo button, and then home, plus, minus, X, Y, A, B, joysticks. All feels very good. I mean, this is nice. I'm pleasantly surprised at how good this feels. Not knowing exactly what kind of product this would be, I pictured it being very light and honestly cheap feeling, and that's not the case. This feels like the real Switch Pro controller, just made by a different company with more buttons and features.